Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to organize meetings in Otter AI in 2026. If you want to keep your meeting transcripts, recordings, and notes organized for quick access, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Otter AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all of your recorded and imported conversations. Next, find the meeting you want to organize and open the transcript. Rename it with a clear title, such as the meeting topic, project name, or date, so it's easier to identify later. Now review the transcript and correct any transcription mistakes if needed. You can also update speaker names to make the conversation easier to follow. Next, highlight important sections, action items, and key decisions. This makes it much faster to review the meeting without reading the entire transcript again. If your Otter AI plan supports folders or shared workspaces, move related meetings into the same location to keep similar projects organized. Now use the search feature whenever you need to find a specific meeting, keyword, or discussion. This saves time and helps you locate important information quickly. Finally, organize your meetings regularly after each session. Keeping your transcripts updated and properly named makes your workspace clean, searchable, and easy to manage. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to organize meetings in Otter AI step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.